Heavy metal poisoning is very common. It's overwhelmingly common. And the first step is we've got to get the heavy metals out. Then we can start producing energy better, and then everything else will work easier. I recommend people get alkaline first. Celery, cucumber, that's it. Celery, cucumber, coconut water. Simple stuff. Celery, cucumber, coconut water, lemon. And just keeping it alkaline, and that's how we start to get to a point where we start flipping that so our body can help itself. And this is important too in detoxifying ourselves and getting more energy and rejuvenating ourselves. And that is understanding that your body will do what it needs to do when it has the energy to do so. And it has the substances to do it. Your body's always trying to heal itself. It's always trying to fix everything. Just laying off and just like, okay, skip dinner tonight, let my body heal itself. Let me just lay down and rest for 12 hours with my eyes closed can do wonderful things for healing.